here from two questions we will start to read. Okay, two questions. This question we will do in your copy, means in our copy. I am doing it my on my board. You all will try it on your copy. Okay, just wait for a while. From two. So I'm giving you some CW. Sorry, I have just put the wrong date, 8/7/21. So from 2 we will start. This is page 40. Page every day you will write, okay, so that no mistake will happen. 2 some I have completed yesterday, but I hope that I am remembering that I made some mistake. That is why again I am showing it. Means mistake is very crucial, means very silly mistake I have done like you. In addition, I have done the mistake. Okay, so here rearrangement I already explained you yesterday. That means you need to write it accordingly. In the maths, whenever you will do some graph, you will just draw one line and you will just write it, mark it as rough. Okay, and here you will just write like that 3516 means addition we will do over here 2484 plus rearrangement means here we will see that whenever the zeros are coming, the additions becoming very easier. Okay, how it is becoming easier? Let's see. See here, 6,000 and 8,000, 2,000 are there. Is there? Okay. So here very easy. First we will put 30 because while we are adding 20, it is coming as 0, and here we will just write 8. Like this way, our math is getting solved. Okay, so to be sum, I'm just solving next 2516 plus a little faster we will start to do because you need to do your maths very fast. Otherwise, uh, in the examination, you will not able to solve. In this sum, it is very easy. No need to just rearrange it. It is already arranged. Okay, so we will just draw the bracket like this and we will add it. Okay, so we will again utilize our rough space. So this is coming as 5,000 plus. Like this way only will solve. See, if we are going to solve the sums in this way, our sums are also done, and it will not, our copies also will be very neat and clean. So from the next time, whenever I will tell you to do the sums in the right side, that means you should do the sums in the round. I hope that I am clear. Okay, AP you complete and raise your hand. AP you complete and raise your hand. Only then I will go to the C and D. Only then I will go to C and D. Only 8 of you has raised your hand. Just more students I need. Okay. If everyone is, means if more of you are just going to raise your hand, I will just go to the next sum. At least 20 students. 26 students are present. So if completed, raise your hand. Well, at least 3 more students needs to raise their hand. Okay, so I'm clearing all my screen and going to the next sum. Next is C and D we will solve. C and D we will solve first. Then I will draw the rough space. Yes. Any doubts are there? I don't think so. These are very easy additions only doing. Only this arrangement you need to figure out that with whom, like 18 and 12 we are going to add. If we are going to add, it will come as 30, or 27 or 23 while we are adding it is coming as 50. These things only you need to figure it out. Okay. This is zero. Okay, the zero is there. Is some problem on my screen? It is not. It is not possible to write properly. Complete it. Then we will proceed to the exercise D. Giving you 2-3 minutes. Complete it. Then we will go to exercise 8. That story what problems. Story sums or what problems. Whatever you are going to tell you. If completed, I'm just lowering all of your hands. If completed, please raise your hand once again. Okay. I am just lowering all of your hands. If completed, raise your hand once again. minutes I will show the same sum. Meanwhile, I am giving you the attendance. Okay, no need to raise your hand. No need to raise your hand. Many of you, no need to Shaptaporna, Onindo, Vinogo, no need to raise your hand. I am just going to give you attendance. Okay, you know that while I am just giving the attendance, if you are going to raise your hand, it is much problematic for me to just find out who is just present and who is not present. Just wait for a while. So I'm just telling you not to raise your hand. You are not understanding the English. হাত তুলো না এখন virtually hand raise করো না. Who is you? Who is you only? Unmute please. Who is you? Unmute please. No need to raise your hand. No need to unmute you now. Are why are you raising your hand? Just what I'm telling you are not understanding. Sharonna, just why you all are raise your hand? You don't want attendance? Repeatedly, I'm telling you not to raise your hand, not to raise your hand. I know you have completed. Exercise D we will do. I hope that everyone completed. Just going to clear my screen. Okay. So here, next story sums we will start. Next story sums we will start. Okay. So first number 1. What is your problem, Shaptaporna and Sharonna? Yes. Unmute.
Ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, I can listen.
হ্যাঁ বলছিলাম যে আজকে না নেটওয়ার্ক প্রবলেমের জন্য ক্লাসটা জাস্ট এই জয়েন করতে পারলো, তো ক্লাসে কি হয়েছে ওই জন্য বারবার রিজাইন করছে।
ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, আমি তো এটা রেকর্ডিং আমার সাইড থেকে করছি। আমি এটা ক্লাস
আচ্ছা
হলে হয়তো আজকে বিকেলের দিকে আমি পোস্ট করে দেবো। একবার জাস্ট ইউটিউব চ্যানেলে গিয়ে একবার দেখে নেবেন, আমি লিংকও দিয়ে দেবো চ্যাট সেকশনে, ওখান থেকে তারপরে আপনি একটু কাইন্ডলি ওকে দেখিয়ে দেবেন। যদি প্রবলেম
আচ্ছা,
হয়
এটা কি
আমার,
সাবমিট করতে হবে?
না কিছু সাবমিট করতে হবে না আপাতত এখন।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা,
হ্যাঁ
থ্যাংক ইউ।
ঠিক আছে। Yes, Saptaparna, go ahead. Any
Ma'am,
problem?
I raise your hand because I say something.
Yes, ma'am. Why you unmute me?
Yes, Saranya, I talked with your parents. Saptaparna, go ahead.
Ma'am, I have already done this chapter. All
No
of this.
problem. You just practice, okay? If you are going to practice one sum 2 or 3 times more, you will be very means what can I say? Your maths practice will be done, and you will there is a less chance to do mistake in the examination. Okay. So this story sums, how we will write, we need to write the statements. How we will write? Here we will write like that, number of computer produced on day 1. If you done, it's okay, fine. But you need to practice it, so complete it. No need to raise your hand repeatedly. Okay. While we are giving this type of dot, you can write the entire statement. I am suggesting to write the entire statements. Since much time is not there, I'm just writing it like that. But in your essay exam is you know that this is you need to just write the you have written examination, not the MCQ. So there you need to write the answers like this way. So in the answer part you will write like that, total number of computer produced, and answer you don't like A in advance. You write the entire word answer. Total number of computer produced okay. Yes, Shoptopona, any problem is there in this sum?
Ma'am,
Go ahead.
ma'am, I have write the same way which you now write.
Okay, no problem. See, if
Okay.
the writing
Then
part,
I have tried this way.
okay, if the writing part is a little bit here and
Can
there,
you see?
no, I can't see. I have screen shared now. I need to stop the screen share. When I will stop the screen share, that time you will show me. That time I will able to see.
Okay, okay, don't worry.
Okay.
No problem.
Okay. At last, I will see everyone's copy that you all have written or not, because I have worked very hard for you. So I need to see that you are just copying it or not. Okay. But while I'm just screen sharing, that time it is not possible to do. So sorry, this is why mistake happened. Okay, complete it. Now I will give you the homework also. Next time I will do. If you complete it, just raise your hand. I hope that many of you have completed, right? So, sorry, I'm really very sorry. So I'm just clear my draw means clear my screen. Also here, I hope that everyone can see. Here few things I'm giving you as homework. Not very less things I'm giving you as homework. Only 2 and 3 is your homework for today. Today is 8/7. No need to upload anywhere. While I will post the study material, I will post the entire sums. Okay. From tomorrow, I will start for these chapters. I will complete this chapter. I will definitely totally complete. Okay. Thank you very much. I am just stopping my screen share.